Okay, somebody shut my door and my mirror fell off my passenger side, so I got to replace this today. And I've taken some instructions that I've got from Honda when I bought my replacement mirror. Here's my replacement mirror. Take it out of the bag. And I'll show you the back. Here's some little clips that these things apparently go on. I gotta get that other black one off. I'm learning as I'm going here, so. Okay, I pushed in on the top and then just grabbed the bottom. Thing just popped right out. It's pretty easy, actually. They tell you to get a screwdriver in those instructions, but it didn't take you that. Okay, my mirror's back in. All I did was put it in there and pushed. I actually took the mirror piece that I took out, since this is basically rubber here and it's a soft material. I used it to push in on my mirror because I am at work and I have no soft cloth. It would be better to have maybe like a little piece of soft rubber or a soft cloth to push on your mirror. So anyway, it's brand new and it's already got fingerprints on it. So that's how to replace a mirror on your passenger side.